Hello everyone, make a ponytail, roll the hairs and then fold it upward and fix it using this bun clip. Fix it on the right side like this. Now tie the hairs on the top by folding it like this and roll it down again and fix it on the right side again using the hairpins. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now again take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now fix the hairs into each other as shown in the video. Now after that, divide the hairs into 3 parts, make the plaits on it and fold it upward. Fix it using the hairband and it's ready. Divide the hairs into 2 parts and make the plaits on them. Fold it upward and fix them on the alternative sides using the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. You have to tie the ponytail and then rotate the hairs. We will tie the hairs properly from the between and then fold it like this. Fix it inside the hairs and put the hair clips over it and it's ready. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. We will take all the hairs together and make a ponytail. Divide the hairs into 2 parts and then divide it from the between and then rotate the hairs. Now join them together and fold it upward and put this bun clip to fix it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back like this and fix the hairs into each other. Now tie all the hairs together, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fold it upward and tie the hairs around the rubber band and fix it using a band and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a bun. For that, we will take the hairs from the sides like this, tie it using a rubber band. After tying the hairs, we will rotate the hairs like this. After rotating it, we will tie all the hairs together, tie it using a rubber band, and then we will fold it from the upward side, from the between like this. We will divide it and then fold it upward. After folding it, we will rotate it first and then fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Tie the hair like this using a rubber band as shown in the video. After tying the hairs, fix rest of the hairs by rotating the hairs on the sides. Fix it properly like this and put the hair clip to fix the bun. Put some designer clips too and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page. You have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Repeat the process for a few more times. Tie the hairs together now and make the plaits on it. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Tie it using the bun pins. Fix it and it's ready. Next, we will join all the hairs together and make a ponytail and then rotate it. Divide it from the between or just divide the hairs like this and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will fold it upward after making the plaits like this on the bottom section. Fix it using the bun pins. Put some designer hair clips and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will tie all the hairs together using a rubber band. Make a ponytail. Roll the extra hairs on the sides and cover it. Put the band and it's ready. You have to divide the hairs into 2 parts and then roll them. After rolling the hairs together, we will fold it like this to make the bun. So pull out the hairs from the sides a little bit. Fix it using a rubber band. Now tie the hairs on the top and roll it to make a bun. Fix it using the hairpins and put them to fix the hairs and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and rotate it. Follow the same step for the other side and join the hairs on the back together like this. Tie them using a rubber band. Now after that, fix the hairs and it's ready.